What's the first thing we do when you guys start putting together an electrical maintenance program? First thing, figure out what your equipment is, right? Okay, don't worry about anything else. Just figure out what you have, right? And then once you figure out what you have, figure out what you need to do to inspect it. So I have a panel. What do I need to do? And then once you figure out conditions, then you can start building that program a little bit, right? It's just so a little bit at a time. It might take you a year to get everything in place. So, if that's what it is what it is. I mean, it's better to start moving in the right direction than to just be static and kind of, what do I do?